Hi, and welcome back to Bean Talk. To continue our little series about home espresso machines, today I want to show you how to dial in your espresso and therefore set your grinder to the perfect setting for a perfect espresso. So yeah, let's go. All right, so first off, we have to reset our grinder because I formerly set the grinder. Now somebody has to, reset it. So therefore I have Dennis to reset the grinder. It's a little magic now. It does something, I don't know. Okay, let's brew an espresso to see what the grind setting is. So, to make my life easier, I'm going to use a scale and tear it on the portafilter. All right, and now I want to have 18 grams roughly, so this is too little. That's too much, of course. So I'm gonna use my spoon. Okay, 18.2, that's fair enough. So let's brew an espresso. And set the machine to where it should be roughly around 40 milliliters of coffee. And I want to brew it within somewhere of 25 to 30 seconds. And so, yeah, it comes out quite fast, not with a lot of crema. So you can have a look at it if you want. It doesn't look super tasty. So I don't know about you, but to me that does not look very tasty. It came out too fast and we don't have any crema, so I definitely have to set the grind size finer. So to set the grinder finer, you want to go to a lower number. So let's try this. And also usually with grinders, unless it's like a zero retention grinder, there's some sort of retention, meaning there's going to be some ground coffee stuck in the chamber. So if you actually change the grind setting, you have to kind of throw away a little bit, which sucks, but yeah, because this would be the wrong grind setting. So let's try again. Much. So 18 grams exactly. Let's brew another espresso. Okay, so with this coffee, because this is a Ethiopian natural coffee, which is more on the sweet kind of fruity side of coffees, and it's also light roast, I set the pre-infusion of about 5 seconds on this machine, so I can get more of the sweetness and acidity out of the coffee. So, this was again too fast, but at least looks a little bit better than the first one, so we still have to go far finer. Let's twist it further and refill some coffee. Again, get some coffee out of there. So also, as I explained, that we're using a pre-infusion of 5 seconds. That also means that we're not going to have the standard recipe with 25 seconds that you usually have with an espresso. Might be a little bit longer. And also for fruity coffees, I personally enjoy it if they're somewhere around the 30-second mark. So we have 24 seconds now. And yeah, that already, this looks like an espresso. So we have an Crema is still relatively thin, so we can already take a sip and try the coffee. Not too bad, but a little bit acidic. So therefore I would recommend going finer even. So of course, setting it with like numbers, saying like 25 seconds, 30 seconds of extraction is easy, and you can always use it as a reference. But I would still always recommend to try the coffee and just see how it tastes. This looks very nice now. And also this is a light roast coffee, so it's not going to have like this thick kind of crema that you're getting with like a Robusta blend, for example, that is a darker roast. So let's try again. Yeah, this is far better. This is really nice now. It's more balanced. It's less acidic than the first coffee I tried, and get like a nice stone fruit kind of aroma to it. So yeah, that is how you set your grinder at home. It's always just a little trial and error. You have to try again, and also with the, it depends on the roast, the density of the beans, and also just your personal preferences, what you like, what you dislike. So yeah, that's how you set and dial in your espresso. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, drink loads of good coffee. See you next week. Bye. All right, if you enjoy our videos, please do us a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. And also maybe if you have some ideas for future videos or topics that we could do in our show, just put it down in the comments and let us know. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.